The smartwatch landscape has become a battlefield where Apple and Samsung showcase their prowess, each presenting a formidable option for consumers. While Apple's devices excel in seamless integration with its ecosystem, Samsung's offerings entice users who favor flexibility and affordability. Ultimately, the decision hinges on individual preference and existing tech investments, making this an ever-evolving narrative in the pursuit of the perfect smartwatch. The excitement around the newest smartwatch models is palpable, as consumers weigh their options in a market filled with competing technologies and features. Each smartwatch represents a unique blend of design, functionality, and ecosystem compatibility, highlighting the stark differences in user experience. From the sleek Apple Watch, which caters to iPhone users, to the versatile Samsung Galaxy Watch that embraces Android flexibility, the battle for the best smartwatch is both timeless and contemporary. In our exploration of these smartwatches, we dive deep into their respective design philosophies, each distinct yet appealing in its own right. The Apple Watch, with its modern squircle aesthetic, captivates those who appreciate sleek minimalism, while the circular shape of the Samsung Galaxy Watch evokes a classic charm that resonates with many users. They each boast impressive build quality, showcasing materials that reflect durability alongside style. Whether it's the rugged titanium of the Apple Watch Ultra or the elegant armor aluminum of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, each design choice serves to enhance the overall user experience, catering to different tastes and preferences. As we continue our comparison, let's delve into the vital category of display quality, where both smartwatches excel in their own ways. The Apple Watch boasts a Retina display that stands out with its remarkable brightness, reaching up to 2000 nits for the Series 9 and an astounding 3000 nits for the Ultra model, ensuring visibility even under direct sunlight. Samsung counters with its Super AMOLED displays, delivering sharp resolutions, deep blacks, and vibrant colors. Both options provide always-on functionality, allowing users to glance at vital information at any moment without compromising their style or visibility. Each brand creatively tailors its display technology to enhance the user experience in diverse environments. Navigating through performance, both smartwatches present their unique strengths, aimed at enhancing user interaction. The Apple Watch Series 9, powered by the efficient S9 silicon phosphide, impresses with its quick response times and seamless execution of multitasking tasks, complemented by innovative features like the on-device Siri. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch 6, equipped with the Exynos W930 chip, offers similar fluidity, affirming that either choice will provide a reliable and smooth experience as you engage with your daily routines. Battery life remains a pivotal factor in daily usage, with Samsung proving advantageous in this arena, allowing users to seamlessly transition from day to night without the frequent need for charging. Ultimately, both devices excel in their performances, showcasing what modern smartwatch technology can achieve. The health and fitness tracking features on both devices are remarkable and cater to a wide range of user needs. Apple's offerings include an ECG feature, blood oxygen monitoring, and advanced sleep tracking combined with innovative temperature sensing, perfect for those keen on detailed insights about their health. In contrast, Samsung takes a comprehensive approach with its well-designed health suite that not only tracks heart rate and sleep but also includes body composition measurements and fall detection, ensuring users have a thorough understanding of their wellness. Apple's Fitness Plus integration provides a motivational edge with guided workouts available directly on the watch, while Samsung cleverly leverages Google Fit to offer compatibility with a broader array of third-party apps, providing users with diverse workout experiences. This means that regardless of your choice, both smartwatches prioritize health and fitness, making them invaluable allies in any user's wellness journey. As we shift to examine the smart features and ecosystems of these watches, it's clear that Apple and Samsung have embraced contrasting strategies. The Apple Watch thrives as an integral part of the iOS ecosystem, offering functionalities like unlocking Macs, handling calls, and replying to texts, all seamlessly intertwined with the iPhone experience. This tight-knit integration emphasizes an ecosystem-centric approach that caters perfectly to Apple users. The app support landscape remains a crucial consideration when evaluating these smartwatches. Apple's watchOS boasts extensive compatibility with a myriad of popular applications, enhancing the overall user experience. Major apps such as Spotify, WhatsApp, and Strava are seamlessly integrated, often providing features that are finely tuned to work efficiently on the Apple Watch. Conversely, Samsung's Galaxy Watch, operating on Wear OS, also presents a robust suite of applications, albeit with certain limitations in comparisons on specific app functionalities. Despite this, the continuous growth of Google's Wear OS ecosystem is evident, as more developers are investing their focus into creating optimized applications for Samsung users, thereby improving the usability and overall experience on the Galaxy Watch over time. As app development continues to evolve, both platforms will likely expand their offerings, catering to the dynamic expectations of users. The final key differentiator that merits exploration is price and value, as it often plays a pivotal role in consumer decisions. Apple's smartwatch prices reflect a premium brand identity, with the Series 9 starting at $399 and the Ultra model reaching $799. In stark contrast, Samsung's Galaxy Watch 6 starts at an impressive $299 and can go up to around $399 for the classic variants, making it a more budget-friendly option. This price disparity not only manifests in initial purchase costs but also extends to the perceived value over time, as users consider longevity, features, and integration within their existing devices. Ultimately, as consumers weigh functionality against cost, it becomes apparent that both brands deliver compelling offers, yet Samsung's affordability appeals strongly to price-sensitive buyers seeking quality technology without breaking the bank. As we further analyze the smartwatch experience, we must consider the real-world usage that consumers encounter daily while wearing these devices. Users often rave about the Apple Watch's fluidity in switching between applications and utilizing features such as dictation and health tracking. The integration of handoff alongside Apple Pay showcases a seamless user journey that aligns perfectly with the iOS ecosystem. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy Watch captivates users through its innovative rotating bezel, which enhances navigation and adds an enjoyable tactile element to the experience. Through its ability to integrate with Samsung SmartThings, users appreciate the convenience of controlling various smart home devices directly from their wrist, signifying versatility in a bustling tech ecosystem. Applauded for efficient performance across both platforms, users ultimately find that each smartwatch has unique advantages tailored to their preferences and lifestyle, making the decision all the more personalized. After exploring both the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch, it's evident that while each has its unique strengths, the choice ultimately rests upon individual needs, device compatibility, and budget considerations. Whether you lean more towards Apple's polished integration or Samsung's flexible design, both smartwatches exemplify the advancements in wearable technology, ensuring they remain top contenders in the market. The decision boils down to your lifestyle, priorities, and personal preferences, leading to a fulfilling and satisfying smartwatch experience that fits seamlessly into your daily life. As our journey through these two flagship smartwatches continues, we must reflect on the richness each brings to the table. The Apple Watch, revered for its elegance and deep integration within the Apple ecosystem, is a splendid choice for those entrenched in iOS, offering fluid interaction and tailored features. Conversely, the Samsung Galaxy Watch emerges as a compelling option with its rugged yet refined style and expansive compatibility with various Android devices. Ultimately, the decision lies in your specific needs, ensuring each individual can embrace a smartwatch that complements their unique lifestyle. Despite the distinctions between the Apple and Samsung smartwatches, both devices are poised to meet the diverse expectations of consumers. With the ongoing advancements in technology, the smartwatch realm is expected to evolve even further, introducing new features that could shift the balance in future comparisons. As users continue to explore their preferences, The dialogue around which smartwatch is superior will undoubtedly persist, ensuring that both Apple and Samsung remain at the forefront of innovation in this dynamic market. Thank you for joining this exploration, and do not forget to share your thoughts on these outstanding devices. Reflecting on the final verdict, it's clear that while the Samsung Galaxy Watch has emerged triumphant in this round, the Apple Watch remains an exceptional choice for those within its ecosystem. The ongoing competition between these two silicone giants encourages innovation and growth in the smartwatch market. Whichever watch you choose, both offer unique features and benefits, ensuring that your decision aligns with your lifestyle and preferences, leading to a rewarding smartwatch experience. While the competition remains fierce, both Apple and Samsung continually push boundaries, ensuring their devices evolve to meet consumer demands. As technology advances, both brands are likely to incorporate new health features, enhanced battery life, and innovative functionalities, making future comparisons even more compelling. Ultimately, the choice between the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch is not just about specifications. It reflects personal priorities, lifestyle preferences, and brand loyalty, shaping the experience that each user will enjoy. The world of smartwatches is more than just a choice between Apple and Samsung. It embodies the essence of user preferences, technological advancement, and ecosystem compatibility. As we embrace the future of wearable technology, the options will undoubtedly expand, creating new possibilities that cater to an ever-diversifying audience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the smartwatch landscape, and remember, whichever device you choose, it should resonate with your unique lifestyle and fulfill your personal needs, enriching your daily life in meaningful ways. As we reflect on this comprehensive examination of both smartwatches, it becomes clear that the choice ultimately hinges on your individual lifestyle, preferences, and the devices you currently own. The Samsung Galaxy Watch might cater better to those seeking versatility and affordability, while the Apple Watch impresses with its seamless integration and luxurious user experience for iPhone users. Ultimately, each offers something unique, ensuring that no matter which path you choose, you will find a smartwatch that enriches your daily life and fulfills your technological aspirations. Both smartwatches cater to distinct audiences, and with the competitive edge Samsung currently holds, it's easy to see why many users are enchanted by its features and pricing. However, Apple maintains its allure with a polished experience that remains perfectly aligned for existing iPhone users, perpetuating a cycle of loyalty and satisfaction among its base. In conclusion, the battle between Apple and Samsung smartwatches highlights the importance of personal needs and the intended ecosystem. As both brands innovate and refine their offerings, consumers will consistently find options that suit their lifestyles perfectly. Your ideal smartwatch truly depends on your preferences and existing tech environment, paving the way for a tailor-made experience.